What is up, everyone? I am back in the closet. Am I in the closet? So, as some of y'all know, my wife and I just recently bought a house, and we absolutely love it. If I have to be completely honest, there are a few things I wouldn't necessarily say that I don't like, just some things that I think need to be changed. And that's what I'm doing today. So let me give you guys a quick glance at our walk-in closet for the master bedroom. So as you can see, it is pretty crammed right here. This is just one side of it when you walk in. Now when you walk over to this side, you can see there's just an empty area right here. So what I'm going to do with that is I'm going to take this stuff out, find a different place for it because, it's just an open space. We just put a shoe rack here, a little thinger right there, and a pink suitcase. That is not my suitcase. It is my suitcase. But yeah, we're going to take that. I'm going to take that out and I'm going to install some shelving racks and other stuff. So here we go. Check it out. Okay, so first off, I want to say thank you if you've made it this far in the video, and I appreciate you watching. This project took me maybe about a little over an hour to do. It shouldn't have been that long, but it is a little long for me because, as some of y'all know, I'm still in recovery, so things take me a little bit longer to do. I get tired easily, I have to rest. So I would say for, somebody typically starting off, if this is your first time trying to do this, probably maybe about 30 to 45 minutes. That's it. It's really simple. I know I didn't show you step by step, but I did a quick speed build. All it is literally just measuring, marking, measuring again, always measure twice. And that's pretty much it. And of course the pole that I had, or the rod, I had to cut that. I didn't show a video on that, but again, simple. As long as you have the right tools, safety first. So this is what the closet looked like before. This is where all my stuff was, and now as you can see, it's all empty. And when you turn around over here this way, voila. Nice shelf, nice rod, second shelf, rod. I thought I was gonna have enough room to put some stuff underneath, but I don't think I will, and that's fine. I got some room up there. I can put a lot of my shoes, some other little things. So that works, and I'm happy with that. So I do want to say a big thank you if you did watch this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm actually going to be doing more video content on there, just of random things, whether it's a little DIY here at the house, whether I decide to do something silly. I don't know. I'm starting to get a little more creative with the content material, and I want to definitely dab a little more into that. So if you do like this, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and definitely turn on the notifications button because I will be posting more on here. And again, it'll be just anything weird besides my comedy stuff. I might post some of my comedy page on here. Let's see, some of my comedy content on here. We'll see. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate everyone's love and support. I love all of you, and I hope y'all have a wonderful day with whatever it is you're doing right now, with whatever time it is, wherever you're at. Thanks.